You too, man. Only Saucy J here, man. And today, man. I said today, man.
Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro.
Today I'm going to be letting females on the monkey app rate me 1 through 10. I know y'all think that's some heat. I know y'all thinking that right now. Like, damn. You know what I'm saying? But before I get into the video, man, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the like button right now. But if you watch the full video, comment Jazz Gang right now or when you're done with the video. But yeah, I'm gonna say to my let's change the video, man. You dig? You dig? You dig? You dig? Hopefully you dig though, no bullshit. Cause I know I'm not just saying that for no reason. Alright, man. Let's change to it. You dig? We got a girl. We got Leilani here.
Go, you get Matthew. Shut up. You shut up.
Can you answer, please? I got a question for y'all. It's for YouTube. Do y'all mind?
Alright, what?
Okay. I'm pretty sure there's 2 of y'all there, right?
Yeah. Yes, that's the question.
Damn, my fault. But no. The question is rate me 1 through 10. It's not a question, but rate me 1 through 10.
Huh?
Rate me 1 through 10.
0. A 9.
She said 0?
Yes, no. Yes, you did. I didn't even rate yet. I say 9. No, my friend's 9 now.
Thank you.
6.
What?
6.
Ah, be easy. But she sound like a fat bitch anyway. I don't even care. No bullshit. No offense. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, we got a pretty girl. It's a pretty girl. What it do, man? Am I out in time?
Okay.
Shorty just said she just farted, bro. She just toot. Bro, these shorties be sleeping right now, bro. I mean, there's a mile. What up, man? Can I have please?
She
want me. She want. Thank you. Huh? At time. I had a question, but it's for YouTube. Do you mind?
Alright, what's up?
Alright. Do you mind rating me 1 through 10?
Or 10. You damn 9. 10. Fucking 5.
Alright, thank you. I appreciate y'all. Ah, she want me, man. Shorty say, you fine. You fine. Bro, these old boys are popping up and shit.
What is that?
Do you mind adding time, please?
Where's Brockton?
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Massachusetts.
Oh.
Do you guys want to add time? I got a question for y'all. Bro, I hate females like this, bro. Where's Brockton? My city, bitch. Bro, shut your bitch ass. I bet. Y'all mind adding time? I got a question for y'all. I need both of y'all to answer though. Alright, y'all rate me 1 through 10. It's for a YouTube video, if y'all don't mind. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. This shit about to take mad long to.
You can leave.
How I do? You can.
Exit out.
But,
Exit out and swipe up.
bruh.
Like that's not like that, or you get reported. One or the other.
But
One
yeah,
of those.
it's about to finish, so I might as well just stay. No bullshit. How's y'all day?
Good.
Quarantine life got y'all bored, huh? It be like that, bro. But peace. Who did it? Just like me. Nah, just kidding. Bruh. So far, I got some good scores. You know? I bet we got a Anaya. You guys might add in time. You got, well, I'm doing YouTube video. Alright. Do you guys mind rating me 1 through 10?
Yeah, 10.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You wait, what's your YouTube?
Saucy JTV.
Okay,
Saucy J's with a SAUCEY.
SAUCEY. Wait,
J is like spelled out JAY.
Okay.
And then space TV. Subscribe right now on the bullshit.
I'm about to look it up right now. She about to look it up. Oh, hey, YouTube.
Y'all clowns.
Can you look it up? I don't know what this is. Let me see. How you? Oh, it's Ewok. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, what is it?
SAU. Follow me.
That's tough.
That's wreck. She wanted to be on YouTube so bad too, bro. That's wreck. Damn, that's crazy. Oh, she 15, bro. See me, Jackie. What it do?
That's tough.
Bro, I ain't even get the chance. Bro, these girls tweaking. Angela, no, what the fuck?
She talking about your friend. Ain't it chocolate if one of your so-called friends, they talk
At time.
Is that chocolate?
What?
Is it not chocolate when my sister dates or talks to one of our friends' ex?
Don't care.
That's foul.
And she that's she put it nicely. I'm just being place. And then she cheats with the same dude on a dude that treats her right with the wannabe black white boy who likes to say the N-word, nigga.
Nigga. No. I got a question for y'all though. Y'all have to answer. It's for YouTube. Rate me 1 through 10.
Huh?
Both of y'all rate me 1 through 10.
Baby, you a country.
Thank you. How about you, girl?
10.
The other one. She made 10.
Yes,
Y'all subscribe to my channel, Saucy JTV, no bullshit, so y'all can see yourself. I'm gonna get my charger. I know y'all just seen my phone about to die. Let me charge me. Oh yeah, let me. What's up? I got a question for you. Rate me 1 through 10. She would have been short. She would be tweaking. Right? Oh, we got an Ariel, the mermaid. Bro, she be skipping for what? I don't want no boys on my shit neck, bitch. Hey. You might add in time.
Bro, that's a whole man.
I'm a girl, be easy.
Oh, you a girl?
Add time.
You will never know shit. Don't nobody.
Add time. I got a question for you.
Huh?
I got a question for you. It's for YouTube.
What's up?
You mind?
Huh?
Do you mind?
You mind? No.
Oh, so y'all be smoking? Nah, just kidding. Alright, both of y'all right there. Rate me 1 through 10.
You a 10.
How about the other girl?
Don't you? Oh, that's wrong shit.
Y'all clowns.
She a 10.
She said I'm a 10?
You're pretty and sexy, so.
She want me.
Thank you.
Now you do. Wow.
She said I'm pretty and sexy. Like, yo, I'm weak. Dude. Hey, Stephanie. No, just kidding. That's mad weird. But, this is for YouTube. Do you mind?
So do it.
What?
Wait, what?
It's for YouTube. Do you mind if I put you in it?
Like, join me?
Yeah. No, like, do
Subscribe you?
yeah. And, like, I have a question to ask.
Yeah.
Alright, rate me 1 through 10.
8. I mean 9.
9?
Yeah.
I bet. Make sure you subscribe. Sausage JTV.
Okay. Make sure you DM the
Gotcha.
channel. Alright, bye.
Make sure you DM your channel. I hate it. Because there's only boys popping up on my shit. Oh, we got 2 girls right here.
I thought you can go TikTok.
Yo. I got a question for y'all. For YouTube. Rate, rate me 1 through 10.
Ooh, let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
She didn't even answer my question. Are you a girl boy? Yo, what up?
Oh my, what the fuck? Oh. Wait, talk again? Come again?
What's up?
No. Stop staying with me, girl. Talk again?
What's up? What are you talking about?
Oh, you a stud?
Yeah.
You are? Oh, I thought you was.
Follow
I
me.
thought I was bugging.
Follow me.
Your voice is kind of deep.
I'm here, but I get that a lot. But I got questions for YouTube. Do you mind?
What's your question? You a 10. Let me pull your hair while you eat my pussy.
Okay.
Oh, you give me a 10? I was about to actually rate me 1 through 10.
Yeah, you a 10.
Yeah, I appreciate
Look
you.
good.
Thank you. Oh, dude, what should I said? Bro, I don't even remember, but bro, I'm gonna replay that back for y'all. No bullshit.
Hello?
What's up? I got a question for you. It's for YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Rate me 1 through 10.
Oh, you're a 10. You're a 10.
Thank you.
It's a girl. Stop playing.
Bro, what? Bro, I don't even look like a boy, bro. It's just my voice at this point, like, no bullshit. Cause, bro, this face don't even look like a boy. Bro, if y'all think I look like a boy, bro, calm me down. You look like a boy. I'm gonna give you that. Calm me down. What's up?
He's a crib? Yep. Look.
Damn, I got a question for y'all. It's for YouTube.
What's up? Yeah. Oh, I need to add time.
Alright, rate me 1 through 10.
You're a 10, honey boo boo. You're a 10.
How about your friend?
You're a 10.
Thank you.
Hey, add me on TikTok. Anita _
Follow me.
I'll follow you.
I bet.
Send me your YouTube so I can follow you on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Follow me on TikTok. These females with these TikTok accounts. They some bullshit. I'm gonna do like 3 more, no bullshit. I ain't even gonna drink. We got a Samantha here. Am I adding time? I got a question for you. It's for YouTube. Rate me 1 through 10. Thank you. Bad. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Wait. Rate me.
I'm gonna give you a 10.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
0. Oh,
I just had to be nice. You feel me? I'm nice. Actually, I'm gonna do a little 3 more. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting into it. No, I'm just kidding. What up, girl? You might add in time, please.
I'm transgender.
Damn, you fucking ASMR ass motherfucker. Fucking asshole. Fucking chewing and fucking on her freaking thing, bro. In her mic, like. Sound like a dog that hasn't gotten food for like a couple days now, bruh. Did I just. I know. I'm bugging. I was about to go in a group with 2 females and I skipped around like a dummy. I've got a Nunu here. She sound okay, ready. What's up?
Hey.
Do you mind adding time?
No.
Do you mind adding time? I got a question for you. This is going on YouTube, by the way.
Huh?
It's going on YouTube.
Okay.
Alright. Can you rate me on 1 through 10? Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
8.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me and I'll send it to you. Follow me. Alright. What's up?
What you doing?
No. You can add time. We can have a conversation. I got something to ask you.
Okay.
Add time. Alright. So, I'm doing a video right now for YouTube.
Okay.
Follow me so you can. I'm gonna send you my YouTube. Alright.
Okay.
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
What was that?
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Wait, I can't hear you.
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
8.
Alright, thank you. Make sure you subscribe when I send it to you.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Sure, you have to think about that. Like, damn, I ain't even that ugly. I ain't even that ugly, man. Alright, this is my last one. Alright, add time.
No.
Damn. Well, it's for YouTube. I got a question.
Okay, cool.
Boy, if you don't.
But she just got me tight. She just got me tight. No bullshit. Like, I should smack her across the forehead. I didn't even get the chance, bro. Kalizio. I got a question for you for YouTube.
Okay.
Alright, rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
8.
Thank you. Follow me too. Follow me.
Okay.
So when I send if I send you my YouTube, you gonna subscribe?
Yeah.
I bet. Appreciate you. Peace.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all keep saying this is my last one, but nah, this one's really my last one though. No bullshit. I ain't gonna hold it because the video's getting too long. What up, girl? So I'm doing a YouTube video right now. No bullshit. So you gotta answer this truthfully. Don't even try to hurt my feelings or anything. You know what I'm saying? Add time. Alright. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Like an 8.
I appreciate you. Follow me so I can send you my YouTube. So you can subscribe and see yourself. Alright, peace.
Alright, bye.
That's it for the video, man. As you can see, I mostly got 8 to 10. I should have just rated me 8 to 10. No, I'm just kidding, man. But yeah, most of them give me a solid score, you know what I'm saying? But if you're watching this right now, comment Jazz Gang because you were here for the last minute of the video. But hey, man, y'all, make sure you like right now if you didn't when I said in the beginning of the video. I don't know why, but yeah, that's it for the video, man. But yeah, that's it for the video. For the last time, I'm gonna say this, but peace, gang.
I'm from the trenches where it's you and me. But I show love to all my brothers like I'm Huey P. Ain't no guidance, OG ain't worried about truancy.